Hello everyone, I just wanted to make a video to show you my somewhat new PC build. It's there on that crappy table, as you can see. There's my monitor. It is a Asus EVGA GTX, I believe. It is a 24-inch monitor. It is capable of 144 Hertz. That is great if you're going to run games at over 60 frames per second. You can shut off vertical sync and not get any screen tearing. There's my case. That is the NZXT Phantom 410 mid-tower case, gunmetal black. There's the front. I have two 120mm intake fans running in the front. I have Silverstone dust filters installed on both those fans. Actually, I have Silverstone dust filters installed on all my intake fans. There's another one right here on the side panel. That's for a 140mm fan. It's actually magnetic. There's nice little magnets there. Really easy to take off and clean. Let me move my monitor out of the way. Sorry about the shaky camera. If I can get this to prop up. Okay. There's a look inside. I have the Corsair H100i cooling system, cooling my Intel 3770K processor. I have that overclocked at 4.2 gigahertz. The H100i fits really well in the Phantom 410s. The rad is underneath the lid here. I have my two fans underneath pushing air onto the rad. There's my memory, 16 gigabytes memory, Corsair Vengeance. This little guy right there is a wireless adapter. And there are my video cards. Two GTX 680 4 gigabyte cards, so 8 gigabytes total. There is my power supply, Corsair TX850 modular. My hard drives, I have a Crucial 256, was it an M4 I believe, that's a solid state. Up above it I have the Western Digital 1 terabyte black serial ATA hard drive. And I think that's about it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section. Thank you.